None of us think twice before discarding pumpkin seeds, right? Well, it's time to change that habit. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. We're talking healthy fats, protein, magnesium, zinc, and iron. Just 1 ounce, about 28 grams, packs around 160 calories of pure goodness. But wait, there's more. These little seeds are loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from nasty free radicals. And get this, research suggests pumpkin seeds might even lower cancer risk. A 2012 study linked them to reduced breast cancer risk in postmenopausal women. Plus, they show promise in fighting prostate cancer cells too. Pumpkin seeds are also fantastic for your heart, thanks to polyunsaturated fats and magnesium. They support bone strength, regulate blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. And don't forget the gut health benefits. So next time you carve a pumpkin, don't toss those seeds. Incorporate them into your diet for a tasty and nutritious boost. Like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.